It's Ken from YepAI here. In this video, we'll be walking you through how to install your YepAI chatbot onto your Wix website. So once you've already uploaded your sources onto the YepAI chatbot and then successfully trained your AI chatbot via the installation page, you should see your embeddable code visible here in this box. Simply click on the copy button located in the top right, and then navigate to your Wix website editor. In this editor mode, you can simply click on Add Elements, then browse down to Embed Code, then click Embed HTML. Here, you can simply make sure you're clicking the code, then paste your code into the text box, then click Update. You can then adjust the size of your AI chatbot and position it as you would like. Once you're happy with the location and the size of the chatbot, you can hit Publish. And here you should be able to see your YepAI chatbot visible here. That explains how to install your YepAI chatbot on your Wix website. If you would like to make sure that your YepAI chatbot is visible across all of the page, meaning it is sticky across as the user scrolls up and down of the page, make sure you go down to the marketing tools and then click custom code. Once you click custom code, you can simply paste the code into this kind of snippet, and that YepAI chatbot will now be sticky to the bottom right or the bottom left as the user scrolls up and down. I hope that helps.